Hey, how are you?
I'm great.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Jake. What's your name?
I am Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you, Jake.
What grade are you in?
I am in grade 4th. What about you?
I'm in 5th grade.
Cool, do you like school?
Yeah, I like it. What about you?
Same, I like learning new things. I really like science. What about you?
Cool, do you like to read? I like adventure stories and mysteries.
Me too. Have you read good books lately?
I just finished reading Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. It was really good. Have you read it?
No, but I've heard a lot about it. I'll have to check it out.
Yeah, you should. A great book.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play soccer and ride my bike. How about you?
That's cool. Do you have any pets?
I have a cat named Mittens.
Oh, that's cute. What color is your cat?
She's orange and white.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have 2 brothers. What about you?
I'm an only child.
Oh, that's cool. Do you like being an only child? I can see that. Sometimes I wish I had my own room though.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Nor yet. How about you? I'm going to a birthday party on Saturday.
That sounds like fun. I'm just going to relax and maybe play some video games. That sounds like a good plan too. Hey, do you want to play tag? Sure, let's do it. Haha, too bad. Too better to start running.
Alright, let's go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more English conversation videos.